I spent only RM5 ringgit 90 cents. I garnered a whopping 300 ringgit. This is one great investment. Hi guys, I'll be doing something different today. This will be more like a casual talk where I'll be sharing with you how much I can earn per videos that I upload on to YouTube platforms. Some of my friends would think that I can get a lot of money by shooting videos, upload them on YouTube, get monetized, and Google will pay me a lot of money. A huge portion of it is not true, and a small portion of it, I can't lie. Indeed, you can generate some income by sharing videos and upload videos onto the YouTube platforms. If you are new here, my name is Joshua Wong, a small content creator from Malaysia. I do a lot of how-to, tech unboxings and reviews on the channels, and if this is your kind of stuff, do consider to subscribe. I don't claim myself as a YouTuber. My definitions of YouTubers is he or she work as a full-time. I'm just a casual content creator that still have a 9 to 6 jobs, and I share my thoughts and love about tech on my YouTube channels. Personally, I think there are two types of YouTube content creators. The first one is the one that has huge fan base and they normally works full-time. They do editorials, they do collaboration with big brands, and here are some few, I would say, reputable and successful individual tech content creators. Kearn, aka Kate, Ashraf from Mona Lisa, Jason Gore, aka Smash Pops. They have a strong fan base that allow them to proceed as full-time content creators and also give them a very good RPMs. In return, the content creators also provide a lot of consistent content and as well entertainments to the fans. Whereas the second type YouTube content creators is like a hit and run, which I think I'm in that position whereby I do not have a very strong fan base. At the same time, most of the viewers are from non-subscribers. Most of my traffic are actually from Google SEO, interest, and maybe some social media share. This very depends on what sort of videos, topics that I cover, and the timings that I share the videos. Here's the part that all of you are waiting for, my YouTube analytics. Here are the stats of the recent Asus VivoBook 15K513 review, which I has over 11,000 views, 290 hours of watch times, and I only received $8. That's less than 80 cents per 1,000 views. On my other hand, the Pokemon related videos with just 2,000 views and 45 hours of watch time more compared to the Asus VivoBook 15 that I mentioned earlier, but the revenue is 7 times. You must be curious why there's such huge gaps, even though the views and the watch times difference are very little only. This is because of the playback CPM. CPM is based on demographics, and the Pokemon videos that I have can actually reach farther countries, for example UK, US, Netherlands, and much more, where the advertisers are actually paying much higher rates to advertise on YouTube. Besides that, contents, genders, time that videos been played is also part of the factors that makes the CPMs difference. For example, video that play during holiday seasons will have much higher CPMs. This is because advertisers are willing to pay a more premium price to get ad placements during that period of time. Let me show you another video stat. It's one of my favorites, and I'm still receiving a lot of views and comments even to date. I spent only RM5 ringgit 90 cents. I garnered a whopping 300 ringgit. This is one great investment. This is one of the early videos teaching people how to clean their washing machine tubes with the Daiso 5 ringgit 90 cents tube cleaners. I got over 44,000 views, 1.4k hours of watch times, and I earned $86. That translates to about $2 per 1,000 views. So what I'm trying to tell you here is higher view doesn't mean the video will generate much more revenues. There are a lot of factors that will affect how much the monetizations the videos can be. Frankly speaking, the income from YouTube wasn't that great for small content creators like me, especially here in Malaysia, unless you have a very strong fan base, which I'm lacking of in building one at the moment. I do receive a few of these comments which make my days and push me to create more content. If you are planning to venture into content creations on YouTube or maybe on Facebook, I would advise you to not set a mindset just to make money on these platforms. Try to create as much content that you love that may be beneficial to you and others. I always prioritize interest over incomes as I never treat this as my main source of incomes. What do you think about these videos? Do leave your comment down below and I'll be sure to respond to you. Hope you find this video resourceful. Give me a thumbs up if you like these videos. Subscribe to these channels if you haven't do so. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you guys in the next one.